Hey, this is Craig the Pool Man with Pool Specialist. Today we have a short video for you on how to reset an error code on a Pentair ETi 400. And you'll see that it's giving you an RNC code, which there is a little tray in the bottom of some of these heaters, which is optional, that contains limestone. And this is nothing more than a timer that is set and needs to get reset. And so what you're going to do is you're going to hold the off button for 5 to 10 seconds. And then you're going to see the lights cycle. And when the lights cycle, you can then release that. And you see it says 128 R01, and that means that that's just the code and the rev and so forth. And then once you turn this on, you're going to find out that this particular one still shows the RNC. However, the heater will actually come back on and start to function. When that RNC first comes up, it tells you that you need to reset this, and it will actually shut the heater off and require you to go through this reset mode. If you did have one of these lime trays in the bottom of the heater, you would at that point want to replace the lime in it, which is neutralizing for the very, very acidic condensate water that comes out of the heater. These are what are called condensating heaters, and you're basically taking evaporated water, and it's like distilled water, so therefore there's nothing in it, and it will be acidic and eat through all kinds of stuff. And so that's why they have that lime container in the bottom. Alternatively, a lot of people just put buckets with lime in them, and it's cheaper, and then you just add lime as you need it to neutralize out the actual very acidic water that goes in there. So this particular panel continues to show the RNC. However, the heater is now functioning. And the only way to get rid of that RNC at this point is to replace this main control panel up here. And when that main control panel gets replaced, then that RNC will go away. However, the cost of that panel and the availability of that panel is pretty bad. Last time I tried to get that panel, they quoted me about an 18-month lead time. So as long as the heater's working and you don't need that panel, I would not replace it, because this error code showing up here at this point has no effect on the operation of this heater. That's the conclusion of our video. I hope you found it educational. If you did, please drop us a like and follow us, and I will have more videos on this particular heater. It is a lot more complex to debug than a typical master temp, mainly because it has 2 heat exchangers in it, and therefore has pretty much 2 of everything in it, which makes it much more complex.